Oops. Don't play with that, Nanny. Look at her sitting all by herself. Oh! Did you just land on your tummy? How'd you get there? What are we doing? Oh, and then we rolled over. You're all over the place. Look at you. Here, let Mama see this. You gonna try to sit yourself up? Come on, you can do it. She tries to sit herself up. She has the concept. She just can't quite make it yet.
She gets an F on execution.
Sophia, are you gonna sit up? Are you gonna sit up? Hey, come here. Try and sit up. Show Baba what you do. See? Oh, she lifts her head. She grabs stuff. You almost got it.